Hey guys, back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the new costumes update in Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can see, I have the costumes update. It is in beta, maybe. I think that only YouTubers might have it. I'm not 100% sure on that. So if you do have it, let me know in the comments. But yeah, you can see I am currently a dog right now. We're going to go ahead and get into game, and we'll look at this a little more. So at the moment, there are 5 in the game. The Scarrow and Shrimp one, I don't remember the name of the Shrimp one. Those are not in game. If you want to see sort of what they look like, you can watch my video that I posted earlier today. But we can go ahead, and if we go to our backpack, you would see right here, there's a costumes thing. It also shows right here. And if we go to our costumes, you can see that we have 5 pieces of costume, or 5 costumes that we can wear. We have the fuzzy feline right here, which this is what it looks like. It's supposed to be a cat. Then we have the dog, which is what I'm wearing right now. We have Mag Mayhem, which this one is probably my favorite, tied with the float alotl right here. And then we have the pirate right here, or I guess pirate, which looks a lot better than I thought it was going to look. I would say that I really like all these member ones down here. The fuzzy feline and some pup, sort of, I don't know what it is about them. They sort of just feel unsettling in a way. I sort of feel like it has to do with the eyes. I feel like maybe the outline is just a little too thick or something like that. This, I think the eye looks really fine right here, and I think that it looks good overall. But for the fuzzy feline and possum pup, I just don't really feel like the eyes work as well, and it sort of makes it just feel a little unsettling in a way. So now I guess we'll do a battle with these. I can't use the member ones, as I think you probably could have told, because I do not have membership, so I cannot wear those. So I guess we'll go ahead and get into a battle. Sadly, I guess it sort of makes sense. You can't wear armor on top of this. The costumes don't add any sort of like bonus to your player at all. It's just how it is. But your gear still does give you the same stat boost as what I think. Also, the how it works thing up here does not yet work. I'm not sure what this timer right here, the 116 days left, is supposed to mean. I'll have to ask about that, and I'll maybe let you guys know in a community post or something like that. Because I don't know if these are going to expire in 116 days or something like that. We'll just have to wait and see on that. But let's go ahead and... Okay, I'm not wearing the costume anymore. So we'll go ahead and put that back on, and we'll go ahead and do a battle and see what the attack animations sort of look like with this on. So let's go ahead and get into a battle. I'm not even sure if my wizard is going to get to go, but we'll go ahead and see. So there we are in battle as a dog, and I guess we'll go ahead and use a single attack since we do want to try and get our wizard to go. And let's see how this looks. So if we go ahead and use this, kind of exactly what you would think. I guess it's not really anything too special. So yeah, I guess this is a pretty cool update. Some things that I think that would be cool if they added other costumes. Maybe an Ed, like the mascot of Prodigy, I think would be pretty cool for them to add. I think another one that would be kind of cool for them to add, one that would be easy would be Drencher, because that's basically just a blue version of Mag Mayhem. I think a gingerbread one would be cool for them to add. That would be something that they could add around Winterfest. And so let me know what costumes you guys would like to see in the game. I am in contact with someone at Prodigy, and if there are any ideas that I think are cool that you guys comment about, I'll make sure to share them with my contact, and maybe those will get added into the game. I am going to request that the Ed and the, or suggest the Ed and the gingerbread one But if you guys have any other ones that you'd want to see as well, go ahead and comment them, and I'll make sure to forward them over to them if I think they're good ideas. Also, let me know which ones you guys think are the best. I think that these three down here, the member ones, are a lot better. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.